Outsourced accounting offers you a much more cost-effective way to have that taken care of without having to spend so much money as you would if you hired somebody.
Hi, I'm Bette Hochberger, CPA CGMA. This channel aims to educate you on tax, tech, crypto, and finance-related news. Come learn how to grow and keep your wealth.
And today, we're going to talk about the benefits of outsourcing your accounting, right? The number one, I think, most important thing for our small business, the number one reason to outsource your accounting is to let everyone else focus on their core activities. So unless you're already an accounting firm, which then maybe you don't want to outsource your accounting, there is probably other stuff that you're really good at doing. And if I had to guess, you're not really good at doing accounting. So why spend your time, especially if you're the business owner or you're a founder, why spend your time doing bookkeeping or doing accounting when you have much bigger fish to fry out there? So that's number one. Number two, when you're a small business and you're just getting started, you probably don't have the budget to hire your own accountants, right? Your first hires are going to be much more related to those core activities, or they're going to be administrative support. But it's still really important to make sure your accounting is correct. Outsourced accounting offers you a much more cost-effective way to have that taken care of without having to spend so much money as you would if you hired somebody. Access to expertise. If you're a small business and you hire maybe a bookkeeper, chances are that bookkeeper probably can't answer any questions about taxes or maybe not finances, things like that. But when you work with a firm like ours, you don't just get access to accountants who do monthly accounting. You get access to accountants who work with payroll, who work with taxes, who are strategic advisors. You get access to much more expertise than you do by hiring one person in-house. Scalability. When you're really small, you might feel like you can't even bring in that one bookkeeper. But at some point, your company is going to grow, and then you're going to need bookkeeping and payroll and accounting and then. With an outsourced firm, we can grow with you. We've had clients where it starts out that we're just working with them maybe once a quarter. And over time, they've turned more and more of that accounting process and that accounting department over to us because we have the capacity to grow with them and they don't need to bring it in-house. It lets you scale up, or if you need to, scale down as your business evolves and changes. Data security. This is really, really important in this day and age. We're always hearing about this data breach, that data breach, your information gets stolen. Well, if you're in the habit of writing lots of stuff on Post-it notes, as many of us are, that could be dangerous if you're talking about accounting. We use bank level security, cloud-based technology, such as QuickBooks Online, just to name one, and we make sure your data is always secure. Improved accuracy and compliance. I cannot tell you how many times I've seen somebody DIY, right? Do it yourself books. And when they come to do their taxes, their books are completely wrong. Their accounting is not correct. And sometimes they're in for a rude awakening when they find out that their taxable income is actually much higher than they thought it was. And they might not be prepared to deal with the tax ramifications from things like that. And it doesn't just stop at taxes. I've had clients who've not been able to get loans or who've been trying to do a purchase or a sale of their company and it doesn't work out because they don't have their books in order. So with improved accuracy and compliance, you've got a much more useful tool at your disposal as somebody who's running a business. So I hope that explains some of the benefits of outsourced accounting. Can you think of any others? If so, drop a note down below. And if your business is ready to start with outsourced accounting, make sure you contact us and get on our calendar right away. We look forward to speaking with you.
Thank you for sticking around. I hope you learned something new. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you want to continue improving your tax and financial literacy. Bye.